feel the way you smile at me and your soft brown eyes. Although you played me for a fool, I don't know how to lose you. Don't want to fall in love with you. I gave you all my love, and you took, but you never gave. You always came when you want to, and take what you please. I don't care, I am through with you. Please go away, my dear. There is nothing for you here. We had a great run, but now the feeling is gone. How is it that we can go on living a lie? There's no regret, but now you got to leave right now.
Come on and take a journey through the life and times of Jeff Jones, a child who found a place to hide inside his headphones. He felt denied, so every night he cried out, his eyes on any pillow he lied his head on. His father left home, his mom's was just gone. It made his heart as dark as his outside flesh tone. So when he got tested, of course he would explode. He saw anger as a form of expression and let ring the alarm. I'm finna introduce one of the sickest dudes to get within inches of a booth. This is my debut and entrance, give me your attention. But did I forget to mention, no, the spitter is the truth. Recognition is due, cause I've been getting dues since I was in school, ripping rappers, getting in the feuds. Since school ended, I've been winning, and that's why I got photographers around me taking pictures of the dude.
Would you mind